and welcome to Crazy Turtle. And today I'd like to make for you a herb citrus veggie salmon. And in my pan over here, I have it's about a pound of salmon, and the skin has been removed on the back. And I have several veggies that I'm just going to slice right now. Just a thinly sliced half of a bell pepper, any color. This is what I had on hand. 1 sweet onion, 1 orange, and 1 lemon. Now I am going to toss all of these beautiful fruits and veggies together to kind of create a little bed underneath the salmon. Oh, it smells wonderful. Set that down. And then I am going to add a little bit of, I've used marjoram and a little bit of fennel seed. Just going to drizzle that a bit. Same with a little bit of kosher salt. And then about a half a cup of olive oil. And this will bake for about 35 minutes in an oven that's been preheated to 275 degrees. I will see you in a little bit with the final product. So this is our delectable moist salmon all finished. It is actually done to about a temperature of 130. I know the FDA says 145, but that can be really dry for me. Usually 120, 125 is more medium rare. So again, base your time. This was 40 minutes. So base your time on what you think is best. So yeah, I'm just gonna flake this, serve this with the onions and peppers, drizzle some of that citrus infused and herb infused olive oil all over. And it is going to be a very light but flavorful dinner. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle today. Take care.